Tired of endless searching for vibrant, high quality images to elevate your designs? As a graphics designer, I know how frustrating it can be to find the perfect features, especially when working with African creators who request designs featuring black models. You've tried Pinterest, Vectis, iStock, Flickr, and even paid for resources, but still you are not getting the quality you've needed. Well, what if I told you there is a game changing solution that makes finding stunning images and resources effortlessly? Stick around because I'm about to share a secret solution most graphics designers have been using and not telling you. But before I do, make sure to subscribe on this channel and put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The first thing when wanting to create image with this method I'm about to show you in this video is using the chat GPT in creating your prompt. If you are the type that can create a detailed prompt, you don't need ChatGPT, but I do advise you use ChatGPT so that you can have a good and a detailed prompt for your image. So yeah, when trying to use ChatGPT, all you just have to do is give ChatGPT a short description of what you want. So into the search bar here, you input your short description and you send it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to undo the prompt generation. So yeah, you can see ChatGPT creating the prompt. So yeah, ChatGPT is done creating the prompt. So yeah, you copy the prompt, then move on to any browser on your device. Once you've gotten to your browser, into the search bar, you search for image fx. Search for image fx. Then the first site on search, that is the site which will be used. Note, the link to the site will be put in the video description, so you can click on the link so as to get redirected straight into the website. So yeah, I'm going to click on this. Then you can see straight into the website which will be used. Before you can use this website, you have to create an account. An account is already available here, so I don't need to create one. Straight to generating our image. So yeah, up here you can see this is the image section at the top, and this is the prompt section beneath it. So yeah, you input your prompt into the space for prompt. You paste your prompt which have been generated with ChatGPT. Then you click on the generation icon up down here, and the generation is going to start. So yeah, the image is being generated. This is going to be fast depending on how good your network connection is. So yeah, you can see the image which has been generated. You can see this is the first one. This is the first image. This is the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So let's say I'm trying to create a real estate flyer design. I can easily use any of these images instead of going to different website all in the name of looking for creating my flyer. I can easily use any of these image, and if you are not satisfied with any of the image, you can try generating again. You can click on the generation button again, then the generation is going to take place again. So yeah, you can see it is generating another one. So you can see this is another one. So you can see this is another one. You can easily click on the download icon and it's going to be downloaded into your device. Now, another thing you can do with this image effects is that if you are not satisfied with the size the image is being generated with, you can easily click on settings here. Once you click on settings, you can change the settings for this. You can see this is landscape mode, which is 16:9. You can change from the landscape mode to portrait mode. You can change from portrait mode to mobile portrait to mobile landscape. So to portrait mode, instead of this is 9:16. So to portrait mode, you can generate your image with any of your desired size. Now, another thing you can do with image effects. Earlier, I mentioned that when we are trying to create designs for black African creators, most creators do request their design is being created with black models, and going to different websites you might not get a vibrant black model image. So yeah, in this video as well, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create your black model image. So yeah, back to ChatGPT here. You've downloaded a white image, you are looking for a black model but eventually you didn't get one. Download that white model image. After downloading, you come to ChatGPT, click on the plus icon here. Once you click on the plus icon, click on photos, then select that white model, select the image of that white model, click on add, then it's going to start uploading. Now give ChatGPT the instruction that generate a prompt for this image for a black woman. Now send this to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to handle the prompt generation. So you can see this. Now copy the prompt just like we've done earlier. Then you go to ImageFX. Now you go to ImageFX where we have input. Click on this icon here. You click on this to clear this input. Now input the prompt. Paste the prompt. So yeah, let's edit away the text that are not needed. So yeah, and you click on the generation icon here, and the generation is going to start. So the image is being generated. So yeah, you can see this. You can see the image created. You can see the image created. You can see it is something like what we've uploaded. You can see the woman holding the knife, and we have the ingredient on the table, chopping the ingredient with the knife, just like the image we've uploaded to ChatGPT. So you can see just like the image we've given ChatGPT. Now another thing you can do with this method I'm showing is that, let's say you are trying to create your design with a particular model but you don't want to use that model because a lot of designers has used that model, or a lot of designers has used that particular resources. So now you come to ChatGPT to upload the image. You upload the image to ChatGPT, and then give ChatGPT the instruction to generate a prompt for that same image. Generate a prompt for this image, and you send this to ChatGPT. Now you copy the prompt, move on to ImageFX to generate the image. Now paste the prompt. You paste the prompt and then click on the generation icon. So yeah, you can see this. So yeah, you can see this just with the same clothing. So you can see a woman holding dollar currency with the same clothing color. So you can see this. You can see this. You can see just like the image we've given ChatGPT. So you can see tinted here just like this one. You can see the look alike in the image. So that is just how you can use this method in getting different and vibrant images for creating your designs. Your ideas are good to go with this method. Just go straight to ChatGPT, get your prompt, come to ImageFX and create your image. So just like that, you can start creating your designs with vibrant image. I believe in this video you've gotten one or two values from this video. The best way you can support the growth of this channel is by liking this video, click on the subscribe button, and put on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. Thanks for watching. I love you.